Hello and welcome back to another video. Where is the tallest place on Earth? I'm sure most of you would say Everest. It's over 8,848 meters above sea level, is clearly the tallest mountain on Earth, and the tallest point of the Earth's surface. Or is it? Is there a mountain taller than Everest? And if there is, then which mountain is it? Well, you can't really answer this question because it depends on what you think the question is. It's way more complicated than you might think. For the first mountain that is in a way taller than Everest, you need to understand the difference between tall from height. Tall is how tall that thing or object is, but height is the elevation of that object, usually from sea level. With that knowledge, compare Mount Everest to this mountain in Hawaii named Mauna Kea. Mount Everest is clearly way higher than Mauna Kea, by over 4,000 meters, as a matter of fact, and it looks taller as well. But it is not, as Mauna Kea is almost 60% underground. If you count from base to summit, aka how tall, then Mauna Kea is over 10,210 meters tall, almost 2,000 meters taller than Everest. But that's not the only mountain that is technically higher/taller than Everest. So let's look at height again. Remember when I said height usually means elevation from sea level? Well, it can also mean height from the core of the planet. For those who don't know, Earth is not a perfect circle. Because of the Earth's rotation, it is bulged around the equator, and the equator is 43 kilometers further from the core than the poles. So any mountain in the equator is 22 kilometers higher from the core than a mountain of the same height at the poles. Mount Everest is nearly 2,000 miles away from the equator, or about 27.5 degrees north. This makes it about 6,382 kilometers above the core. This mountain here, Mount Chimborazo, is located in Ecuador, around the Andes mountain range of South America. It doesn't look as tall as Everest, and it isn't, being about 6,268 meters from base to summit, and also that same amount from sea level. It's not even the tallest mountain in the Andes. Despite this, it's very close to the equator, 1.5 degrees south of the equator, as a matter of fact, which makes it 6,384 kilometers above the core, 2 kilometers above Everest in elevation from the core, making it the highest mountain in elevation from the core. So, actually, Chimborazo is the mountain that is closest to the moon and to the stars. Other than Chimborazo, 7 more mountains in the Andes region, as well as another mountain in Tanzania, Africa, are higher from the core than Everest is. However, Everest is still the highest mountain from sea level. So now we have learned that Everest isn't the tallest mountain, and in a way, not the highest mountain too. But don't forget, climbing Mount Everest is still a big feat. If you enjoyed this video, then consider subscribing. It's free and it helps out a ton. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.